Hi guys, welcome to How to Housewife. I am going to do a quick little video trying to use my Norwex paste. I've just got some Norwex products. I've got paste and a microfiber cloth which is just a bit damp, and we are going to try and remove this whiteboard marker. So he was allowed to draw on the whiteboard. That'll come off. He's drawn on the wall. And here he is now actually. Hello. Just to, show off his artwork. So we're going to give this a go. It's supposed to remove permanent marker. This is whiteboard marker. I've hidden the markers for now, but I will find them and show you which ones he used. And we will see, because I was on the phone with the bank, and every couple of seconds, I would take a marker off him, and then magically he just pulled one out of who knows where and kept drawing. So we're going to hopefully get the whiteboard marker off the wall.